Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making this all natural homemade hair growth oil using essential oils, and I just want to go ahead and show y'all everything up front we're going to be using. So we're going to be taking some organic virgin coconut oil. I got this from Target, I believe, and then everything else I got from Amazon. So we're taking jojoba oil, peppermint oil, we're going to be taking lemongrass, some rosemary, lavender oil, and then cedarwood. And I talked about all of these oils in my previous video, so if you haven't checked out that video, you should go watch it. But let's just get into this hair growth oil. So we're starting off with a bowl of steaming hot water that I'm going to use to liquefy my coconut oil, because that's the only oil that isn't liquefied. So I'm going to take half a cup of coconut oil. For some reason though, I could not find my half measurement, like my half cup, so I'm going to be using a third, but we're still going to be taking half. I'm going to be taking 1 of the thirds, then a half of the third cup, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna put the coconut oil in this little measurement cup, and then I'm gonna transfer it to this little container and then put that in the bowl of hot water so it can start to liquefy. So the steaming hot water is going to loosen up that coconut oil and just get it to liquefy. So I just wait for that to soften up. Then we're going to take a new bowl and transfer that coconut oil to it and get ready to start the oil. So now I'm going to take my half cup of jojoba oil and mix it in there with that coconut oil. And this is what it is looking like. So now we're going to get ready to do the essential oils. I'm going to be taking this little dropper thing. I purchased some glass bottles that came with droppers. I'll also leave these down below, but we're just going to be using the dropper for the oil. So I'm going to take 10 drops of peppermint oil, 10 drops of rosemary oil, 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of cedarwood, and 5 drops of lemongrass. And then we're going to just mix it all together. Make sure it's all nice and mixed in there. And then we're going to get ready to transfer it to our oil applicator bottle. I purchased this from my local beauty supply. It's cool because it has all the measurements on it and everything. So I'm going to be using a funnel to transfer to the bottle. So then we have the oil ready to go and apply to the scalp. So it looks like this. So we're going to get ready to apply it to the scalp and do a nice scalp massage. So from here, I just part my hair and just apply the oil all over. Make sure I just get it everywhere and then start massaging that in. So then I had about that much left over that I could use for future purposes, and then I just did a scalp massage for about 5 minutes. And then we're actually gonna leave the oil on for about, you can do it for an hour, you can do it for a couple hours. I left it in my head for a couple hours, maybe 2 hours. You can actually leave it overnight, but I left mine in for a couple hours, and then you're just gonna rinse it off with your shampoo. So I take my hair and I just go ahead and twist it up like I always do. This just helps to get my hair underneath the plastic cap. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That is the oil. And like I said, you can pretty much leave this on however long you want while you're doing errands around the house or whatever. But as always, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I would love some love. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.